Hi folks, John Morehouse here with Denny Channing Associates. We're going to do a quick video on using Resumable create indexes in Microsoft SQL Server. So let's jump to it. So in the video, we can see on the left-hand side, I'm using a VentureWorks DW 2016 CTP3. And what I'm going to show here is that I'm going to create a non-clustered index on that database on a table, factory seller Excel page compress. I'm going to specify a max DOP of 2, and keep in mind that, as I mentioned in the blog post, I've limited my processors on my laptop to just using CPU 0 and CPU 1. So I've limited or gated my SQL Server to only use 2 processors or 2 logical cores. Keep in mind, do not do that in production. Using Affinity on your CPU could cause very, very bad things to happen. So only do this in a testing phase. But on the right-hand side, we can see I've got perfmon set up. I've got the 2 processor times for the 2 CPUs that I'm using. So let's go ahead and create this index. And while it's creating, we can see on the right-hand side that the CPU for both of my processors, so there's CPU 0 and CPU 1, and we'll let it refresh and come back across the screen for us. They're both pretty much pegged out at 100%. And so SQL Server is using both CPUs to create this index. If we flip over, we can actually see that there is a resumable index going. We can see it right there. It is being created, and it is about 63% at this point in time. This video was just to prove that, yes, if you specify a specific max stop when creating a non-clustered index and you mark it as resumable, it will use the appropriate level of CPU. As it finishes, we can see that it comes back down to normal levels, and it is done. The command completed successfully. Thank you much.